So Blackview has announced a new rugged phone called the Blackview BV7300. Now the unique feature of this device is its dual 800 lumens super bright versatile camping lights, which means this device is perfect for nighttime enthusiasts. Before I talk about its top features, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. As you can see, we are almost at 13,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and the best rugged phone deals. So without further ado, let's quickly explore the top details of the Blackview BV7300. So the BV7300 features a large 6.67-inch HD+ display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and a 90Hz dynamic refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, the BV7300 is powered by an octa-core Helio G81 processor and comes with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 2TB via a microSD card. The phone runs on the DocOS 4.0, which is Blackview's custom skin, and it's based on the Android 14 operating system. Another standout feature of this device is its massive 15,000 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging. This should provide plenty of power for even the most demanding users. The phone also features dual SIM support and a variety of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and NFC. In terms of cameras, the BV7300 sports a 50MP rear camera with a Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor and a 20MP night vision camera at the back, while the front-facing camera is 32MP, which should be great for selfies and video calls. The device is ruggedized to IP68 and IP69K standards, which means it is dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. It also meets the military-grade standard 810H military standard for durability. So these are the top features of the BV7300. As you can see, it's literally packed with impressive specifications, and of course, as regarding its price, it's expected to be sold officially for about $250, but it's currently not available. I think it's going to launch before the middle of November. Overall, the BV7300 is a well-rounded, rugged smartphone that offers a great combination of features and performance. It is a good choice for anyone who needs a durable device that can withstand the elements, and of course, it's great for nighttime enthusiasts. Anyway, this is what I have for you. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.